Welcome to Beautyistic. Are you someone with oily, acne-prone skin looking for a night cream that actually delivers results? Well, today we're going to take a deep dive into a product that claims to help clear up blemishes, refine texture, and leave your skin smoother and more balanced. Image Skincare's Clear Cell Clarifying Repair Crème. Let's break down exactly what this product brings to the table and how well it works in real-life situations. The Image Skincare Clear Cell Clarifying Repair Crème is specifically formulated for oily and acne-prone skin. This night cream combines salicylic acid, a well-known exfoliant, with bakuchiol, a plant-based alternative to retinol. Together, they aim to reduce the appearance of blemishes, clear pores, and diminish fine lines and wrinkles without the harshness that some acne products can bring. It's an intriguing combination, offering gentle exfoliation and anti-aging benefits. But does it live up to the hype? First off, let's talk ingredients. Salicylic acid is the star here. It works by penetrating pores and dissolving the oil and debris that can clog them, which leads to breakouts. This product is designed to help with blemishes and clarify skin without stripping it of moisture. But what makes this night cream stand out is its inclusion of bakuchiol, a gentler alternative to retinol. While retinol can be effective, it can also be irritating, especially for sensitive skin, so bakuchiol is a great choice for those who want similar benefits without the redness or peeling. I've been using this product for the past few weeks, and here's my experience. The texture is surprisingly lightweight for a cream that's designed for oily skin. It absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy residue, which is a huge plus when you're using it before bed and don't want to worry about it transferring to your pillow. There's a slight medicinal scent, but it's not overpowering and dissipates once applied. I started incorporating this into my nighttime routine, using it after cleansing and toning. On the first night, I noticed how smooth my skin felt upon waking up. Over the course of a week, I saw improvements in the texture of my skin. It felt softer and looked clearer. By the second week, I noticed a reduction in the size of a few persistent blemishes that had been lingering on my chin. The real win here was the fact that my skin wasn't left feeling dry or irritated, which is a common problem with some acne treatments. As for the pros, this night cream does a fantastic job of clarifying the skin without the harsh effects of many other acne-fighting products. It's lightweight, non-greasy, and works well in combination with other skincare products. The inclusion of bakuchiol makes it a gentler choice for those who may have trouble with retinol. Plus, it works overnight, which is always a win when you want minimal effort for maximum results. However, there are a couple of cons to keep in mind. For one, while it does help with oil control, it may not be hydrating enough for very dry or sensitive skin. The packaging, while sleek, is a bit small for the price, and you might find yourself running out quicker than expected. In terms of value, at $50 for 1.7 ounces, it's on the pricier side. But considering the combination of active ingredients like salicylic acid and bakuchiol, as well as the effectiveness it brings, it might be worth the investment if you struggle with oily skin or acne. That said, if you're on a tighter budget, there are some great alternatives out there. Products from brands like Paula's Choice or The Ordinary offer similar benefits for a lower price point. Now, if you're someone who struggles with stubborn breakouts, this product can be an excellent addition to your routine. It's especially ideal for those who want to avoid the irritation, sometimes caused by stronger acne treatments. If you're after something that can help with oil control, breakouts, and even some early signs of aging, this product is definitely worth considering. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.